Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and oh my gosh, I am so excited. This box, to set the stage for this box came in late, and I was done recording for the day. I was doing family stuff, so I had to wait, because I didn't want to open this and ruin the initial reaction to it. So I had to wait. It's been sitting here for about 17 hours, and I finally have time to open this up and share this with you guys. I got to see a video of this that I am about to open up, and my brain exploded apart. It splintered into a bajillion different pieces. It took me a sec to understand exactly what it was that I was looking at, but Herman has accomplished something, I think, truly special. And I got an opportunity to share this with you guys. Now, I'm going to link these knives down in the description. I think they have 2 or 3 of them available. They're extremely expensive. If you're familiar with Herman, then you know that whatever's in here is going to be really, really expensive. But I just wanted to do this and kind of, like I said, set the stage for what I'm about to showcase here. So, links in the description. Thanks so much to Herman Knives for sending this in so that I can share this with everybody. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. If I told you that the blade, the knife frame had a Tesseract finish, what would you imagine that would look like, right? I would imagine, that sounds pretty crazy from what I understand about a Tesseract, which is very little, but what I can conceptualize about a Tesseract, it's got to be something pretty crazy. Let me tell you, whatever you're imagining, it's about 100 times more epic. So let's open this up. This is actually a set. It's not just one thing. Herman has these sets, these special edition sets, and they have a few of these. I'm a huge fan of the Epica pen. If you guys saw my unboxing of that Epica pen, then you'll know why. But even as a guy who's pretty casually into pens, I would say this is one of the nicest that I've ever seen. So there's the card for this guy, and then let's also get the card out for the knife, and I'll let you guys look at it here. So this is a Mantis with the Tesseract finish. We have M398 hardened to 62 to 63. Good Lord. The edge retention on that will just be absolutely insane. This was manufactured January 22nd of 2025. So I'm going to scoot this. I have a feeling that the pen is going to be on one side. We're going to look at the pen first because I don't want to ruin the knife just yet. Golly, the pen. This truly is deserving of the term Epica. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Just taking a moment to enjoy the pen here. If you guys have never seen these, it clicks down, comes with a refill, and comes. I think this is pivot lube, but then you move this back over. So cool. So cool. These are such nice pens. This isn't specifically about the pen, right? But I did want to showcase this because they really do go absolutely nuts and make really, like epic and unique. There's epic and unique machining involved with a lot of these pens. You can get basic ones, right? But this is beautiful. Very, very cool. But anyways, let's take a look at the knife. Oh, man. So Scott told me, he said, have you seen Herman's new frame finish? Because he said it's like diamonds. It's like 4-dimensional diamonds. Oh, man. You guys. Oh, my gosh. Hold on. Look at this. You have got to be kidding me. It really is even more epic. I sauced it up so much. I sauced this up so much in the intro of this video. And it is actually even more insane. Oh my gosh, you even put it on the pocket clip. Okay, hold on a second here. Is there depth to this? No. You have created an illusion here. This looks as if it is it's machined. There's like a layer over the top of something underneath. But that is not the case. It's been laser engraved to give you an optical illusion of depth. This is wild. I'm touching it and expecting to feel where there's depth. Hold on. Let's zoom in. Look. Oh, that is insane. I've truly never seen anything like this. So how do they achieve this? So this is the result of like next level laser engraving and anodizing. That's actually what you're looking at here. Look at this. Look at this. I cannot believe the three-dimensional effect that this creates. It looks like there's liquid blue, something underneath there. It almost looks like there's a lake underneath, like a wire, this crazy infrastructure-looking thing. But the three-dimensional effect is bizarre, and it actually, depending on how far away you are, what you think you're seeing is different, right? I think calling it a Tesseract finish is actually extremely appropriate. Because you get the three-dimensional sort of optical illusion, and then the closer you get, the more you question exactly what it is that you're looking at here. Look at this. As I turn, look at this. See the little, this is what Scott was talking about. It sparkles like diamonds underneath there. What process do you go through to go, hey, like, who woke up one day and was like, you know what I want to do? I want to make a finish that resembles a Tesseract. And here's how did your brain come up with this, Mr. Herman? How was this? What events led to coming up with this? I'm so sorry. We should get the blade out, which is a simple but very beautiful and very elegant stonewash finish. At this price, truthfully, I think I would have liked to see some type of. I think this would couple really, really well. With a Damascus or Damasteel Damacor. But I think a lot of people would argue with me and say that kind of makes it a little bit too busy. Creating a finish like this is not cheap. I think some people are going to try and reduce this to, gosh, your action, it just keeps getting better and better. So I have a Mantis. I have a really nice Mantis, and it's admittedly the action out of the box or even after breaking in is not quite as nice as this. So Herman Knives is still, to the surprise of no one, still advancing in their overall quality. I think that some people are going to try and reduce it to it's just laser engraving. Why does it cost so much money? Doing something like this is absurdly expensive. The amount of time and the process involved with creating this finish perfectly on 2 different titanium scales is going to be very costly. 100%. This is truly amazing. This is so beautiful. I can't imagine what was mentally involved. I mean, your understanding of the machines that do this type of laser engraving has to be. I mean, it's obviously far beyond what I can comprehend as somebody who doesn't work with stuff like that. But your ability to create what looks like 2 different layers or a sort of a wire frame over the top of something that looks otherworldly. I can't, my imagination's just running wild there. But it's not. It's actually all on the surface. This is incredible. I mean, the amount of detail here is just wild. It feels like, when those videos where they zoom in on like a microchip and they just keep zooming in and there's more and more and more. That's what it makes me think of. This is spectacular. Absolutely spectacular. This is, once again, not a review, just an unboxing and first impressions. But what a wonderful set. What a wonderful set of items here. Really, really nice. So yeah, Herman, I would love to see you guys continue to do this. I have a question. Since this is a laser, can you apply this type of, and if they can chime in, Polish Custom Knives or Herman Knives, can you apply this to a blade? I mean, we've seen lasering or laser work done to blades before, but are you able to do? It's maybe the finish, and obviously titanium can be anodized, and the steel blade is not going to respond to anodizing the same way. I mean, not at all, right? Titanium obviously is much more vibrant effects with the anodizing. But are you able to do this type of technical laser engraving on a blade? That would be pretty interesting. Just curious. Very, very cool. Ooh. Oh, I like this a lot. That is so cool. Never seen anything like it. Okay, that's going to be it for today's unboxing and first impressions. I have already reviewed the Herman Mantis. Spoiler alert, it's an awesome knife, regardless of which variation you go with. Whether you go with the entry-level Mantis, which is going to run you about $750, maybe $800, somewhere in there, or you go with a half dress or a full dress, you know, multi-$1,000 Mantis. They're all wonderful. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.